Hi everyone, I'm going to show you the BigRoof's mobile view today. When you log on to BigRoof, you can see this calendar, which is the dashboard as we call it, and you can see all the color coding of information that is being displayed. It shows all these information in these color codings, so deposits in that color, expenditures, and you can turn information on and off depending on what you want to see. So if you didn't want to see the expenditure, you just take it off and it won't show it to you. Now, if we wanted to see what the information was in detail, all you do is click on the date, and then at the bottom it gives you the list of information that is being displayed. You can also update and amend information about that particular record, say for example upcoming rent, by clicking on here directly, and it shows you all the information that you need to populate or you may want to populate. And you can actually amend all those information and say whatever money you've received, and then submit the information here. You can also look at the monthly summary, so that kind of gives you a quick snapshot of whatever is happening on that month, how much money you've received, how much expenditures you've incurred, and all of that. So that's kind of a quick way of looking at what's happening on that month. You can also go into the filter section of, on the left hand side, you can see all the information that you can go and update and browse on the main site as well. So say for example, you can go into managing your tenant information about that, your agents, etc., your notice board, all of that can be quickly accessed via that sidebar there. And it's kind of quick and easy if you wanted to amend anything here. So that's the calendar view, but you've also got another function which is called the list view. So you can, instead of seeing them in calendar format, you can see it as a list format if you like viewing things as a list, and it also gives you the dates, etc. on there, and just gives you a list of the information that is being shown. So that's a quick snapshot of the mobile view of BigRoof. Thank you.